Hello guys, this is something I'm going to show you guys today, so see for yourself. So I hope you all just want to achieve something like this, right? So I'm going to give you everything you just need right now. I'm going to show you everything using camera filter raw, and it's on Photoshop. You can find it. So but I'm going to show you every process on how to get it and get your looks look so great and powerful too. So let's see what I just want to get for you. So let's see, it's going to open filter camera raw. Okay, so here's where I'm gonna show you everything you just need right now. So filter raw is my favorite ever. Okay, I really love Lightroom. It's similar to this, same thing, but this is something when it gets to working with all your raw footage. Sometimes it's just complicated, so I'm gonna use to show you only one something you need to learn from it. So okay, so first, see, this image is raw image, and I'm gonna show you from the beginning. So here is going to start color mixer. Okay, so I'm always just start from orange to just get the the skin tone. So I'm always start from this. Okay, when you get to this point, make sure you just push into the side. But sometimes you can see this around here, there's something we need to correct it, but we just come to there. But let's just complete this first. So okay, so I think this is cool. Original something, but I just want to turn this heel to the side a little bit, and make sure here is going to increase. The luminance is going to be around here. Okay, so when you're done with it, make sure you just move to the red. Okay, I will show you how to take this down, but I just want to complete everything to show you the process. So I will just move to the lips. Okay, it's the red is affecting the face because there's something inside. There's a red things orange, and inside it's the skin tone, hair face. So it's going to increase it, okay, to be here, and decrease this side, okay, to chain the heel to be around here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, before and after. Okay, so when you're done with that, let's try to be on the yellow side. So here is where it just affected, and we just want to make it look more. Okay, and chain this heel to around here. Okay, to 53. So when you're done with it, when you're done with this process, make sure you come to this side. Okay, and try the contrast to make the contrast be around plus 21. It's okay. So let's see before and after. And when you're done with it, try to increase this a little bit to 13. Okay, and here let's just want to be around here. Okay, and let's just take this one around this side and make the blacks look so more like this. So let's see before and after. Okay, so when you're done with it, just turn this one a little down like this. Okay, and let's just push this one to the side and see before and after. Okay, so when you're done with it, make sure you just move to detail and zoom it. There's something which is around here, I don't like it, so you're going to turn this color noise machine to down like this. So okay, so check this side. Okay, some arrows going to take down. Okay, so that's it, but at the same time it's going to affect the lips and around here, but not much, too much like that. So when you're done with it, just try to move to detail again, color mixer, sorry, and just push this one a little bit. Okay, and you find yourself with the good thing, and increase the saturation, and let's just move to the green. and turn the green to 5. Okay, see before and after. Here's another part. So when we're done with this side, okay, when you're done with this side, make sure you move to the curve. When you get to the curve, try to increase the shadow, okay, to here, and the dark to down like this. Okay, and let's see before and after. Okay, so guys, this is what I just want to show you today, but we'll come to this side then and show you how to use this color grading and stuff over here. Okay, so let's just add this one optics and just push this one to be around here, the midpoint. Okay, and let's just allow this side to be 65 and here to be 0, and let's see before and after. So guys, these are simple ways to do your grading, and camera raw filter is very dope and it's very powerful, and you can use for your your photos, wedding photos, commercial stuffs, and a lot of things, let's say, etc. So I just want to give you something you just need right now, so I'll just show you the process and how to do it. So let's hit the OK and shake before and after. That's it. So guys, just subscribe to my page, like and comment, and I'm going to do more video for you to just learn the tips and tricks and how to do things you just need. See you for the next video. Bye.